Today we're going to make a little 4th of July decoration. First I need to use the finishing wax and wax the surface that I'm working on so that my transfers won't stick to it and then ruin my transfer and also ruin the surface that I'm working on. So I'm going to start by fuzzing these fireworks. I want to make it a little less sticky before I stick it on my board. I'm trying to figure out which way to position these so that I can get the most amount of fireworks on there. I'm going to use white, Liberty, and Candy Apple Chalkology paste to do this project. So I'm going to try and make my fireworks different colors, trying to the red, white, and blue kind of mixing them. So I'm just going to mix it with my finger and hope that they mix pretty well when I pull my transfer off. And I'm just going to squeegee off whatever excess paste is on the transfer, kind of spreading it around. It looks like a disaster right now. I'm hoping it'll look great when I pull off the transfer. So this one I'm just going to do blue and white on the bottom one, and then red and white on the top firework. Again, just squeegeeing that around, making sure that I'm covering all of the silkscreen parts of the transfer and pulling it up. And what I did is I used my hairdryer and I dried that part so that I could come back. I washed my transfer, dried it off, and now I'm going to use it on the other half of this board. So again, I'm going to use the white, put in some red, put in some blue so that I can get mixed colored fireworks. Using my squeegee to spread that around again, making sure that I cover all of the silkscreen transfer parts. Again, it looks kind of like a gross color now, but when you pull it up, it looks much better. So I will need to dry that one last time so that I can put the words on there. I'm going to use this shimmer silver Chalkology paste, so it's kind of got little glitter pieces in it. So I'm going to do the words celebrate and freedom right over the top of my fireworks. Trying to make sure it's straight. And then this time I'm just going to use a squeegee and cover all of the silkscreen parts with the Chalkology paste, and then scrape off whatever excess is on there. And then pull up my transfer, putting it in some water. And there you have it. Celebrate freedom.